The could not find vehicle error in your Tesla app means the app can't communicate with your car. This error appears when you try to access vehicle controls, but the connection fails. This usually stems from issues with your VIN, which uniquely identifies your vehicle, account synchronization problems that affect app access, or location services that help the app find your car. The VIN is crucial because it links your specific vehicle to your Tesla account. If there's a mismatch or registration issue, the app can't establish the connection. We'll explore how to troubleshoot each of these areas to get you back in control of your Tesla. Your VIN is the app's primary link to your Tesla. First, double-check that the VIN displayed in your Tesla app matches the VIN on your car's registration or dashboard. To verify, compare the VIN in the app with the one on your vehicle's registration documents or dashboard. The VIN is a unique 17-character code that identifies your specific Tesla. VIN locations on your Tesla include the driver's side windshield, the door jamb, or under the hood. Here are the specific locations for different models. If there's a mismatch between the VINs, remove the vehicle from your app settings and then re-add it using the correct VIN from your vehicle. This diagram shows additional locations where you can find the VIN on your Tesla, such as the dashboard or door frame. Account migrations or software glitches during updates can sometimes cause VIN mismatches. This image highlights common places to locate the VIN. Account synchronization is crucial for the Tesla app to communicate with your vehicle. The app links to your vehicle through your Tesla account and the vehicle's VIN. If this connection is broken, you'll see the could not find vehicle error. First, try refreshing your connection. Log out completely from the Tesla app, then log back in with your credentials. This forces the app to reestablish the link between your account and the vehicle's VIN. If you have multiple users on the Tesla account, introduced in 2024, verify that the primary account owner has granted you proper access permissions. This feature allows shared access, but misconfigured permissions can prevent the app from finding the vehicle. Finally, go to Tesla's web portal at tesla.com and sign in to your account. Confirm that your vehicle's VIN is correctly linked and all account details match. This web-based verification can reveal sync issues not visible in the mobile app. The Tesla app relies on GPS to locate your vehicle. Make sure location services are enabled for the Tesla app with precise location turned on in your phone's settings for both iOS and Android. In the car, you can also try calibrating the vehicle's GPS through the touchscreen. Go to Controls, Software, Calibrate. This helps improve accuracy, especially in urban environments. Before diving into advanced steps, start with basic connectivity checks. First, ensure your phone has a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Next, restart the Tesla app by fully closing it and reopening. This refreshes the app's connection and can resolve temporary glitches. Then, verify that your car is online by checking Tesla's web portal. Log in to see if your vehicle is listed and responding. If your car doesn't appear online, it might have its own connectivity issues, such as network problems or hardware faults, which require separate attention. If basic checks don't work, start by force quitting the Tesla app to clear any temporary glitches. Next, clear the app's cache on Android devices to remove stored data that might be causing the error. Another option is to reinstall the Tesla app to eliminate any corrupted files that basic fixes can't address. As of app version 4.321, released in October 2025, improved error messaging guides you towards enabling precise location permissions, which is often a common fix. The could not find vehicle error frequently occurs in areas with poor cellular coverage. When your Tesla can't maintain a stable connection to cellular networks, the app loses communication with the vehicle, preventing remote access to features like climate control or vehicle status. If you're traveling internationally or in regions with data roaming restrictions, the error can appear due to SIM card limitations. Many carriers block data roaming by default to prevent unexpected charges, which breaks the Tesla app's connection to your vehicle. Ownership transfers and vehicle resales often lead to VIN mismatches in the Tesla app. When a vehicle changes owners, the VIN must be properly unlinked from the previous account and linked to the new one through Tesla's system. Incomplete transfers can leave the old owner with access while preventing the new owner from connecting. iOS updates on iPhones and iPads can reset app permissions, including location services required by the Tesla app. After updating your device, always verify that the Tesla app has access to precise location data. Without this permission, the app cannot accurately locate and connect to your vehicle. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and the could not find vehicle error still persists, it's time to contact Tesla support directly. Tesla's support team can access their backend systems to verify your account details and VIN information, ensuring everything is properly linked. They can also provide advanced assistance that goes beyond basic user troubleshooting. While community forums like Reddit's r/Tesla Motors can sometimes offer helpful tips from other Tesla owners, it's important to prioritize official Tesla support to avoid potential data risks or misinformation. Community advice can be useful for initial insights, but official channels are safer for account-related issues. When contacting support, be prepared with your vehicle's VIN number and a detailed description of all the troubleshooting steps you've already attempted. This information helps Tesla's team diagnose the issue more efficiently and provide targeted solutions. You can find your VIN on your vehicle or in your Tesla account details.